We all know that onion juice have a very strong smell. That's why a lot of people refuse to use it, despite the good benefit of onion juice in our hair. On today's video, I will show you another recipe that you can use replace onion juice and still get that good benefit without you having that offensive smell. So you need to watch this video to the end to see how to prepare this recipe, the instruction on how to use this recipe to get that good results. My first ingredient is onion peel. Do you know that onion peel and onion juice, they work the same? Onion peel is still effective like onion juice for those that don't like using onion juice because of the strong smell of onion juice. Please use onion peel and use it to replace onion juice. You still get that good benefit that onion juice will give to you. Onion peel is very powerful and very effective like onion juice. Okay, so I believe that after watching today's video, you will never throw away your onion peel. Please do not throw them away. They are very effective, especially if you don't like onion juice and you wish to use it, but because of that strong smell of onion juice is holding you back not to get that good benefit from onion juice. So onion peel will help you and give you that result without you having that offensive smell. So what I just do now, I wash my onion peel so that it will be clean before I can use this. After washing it, I transfer into my jar container. The next ingredient I will mix this onion peel to make it more powerful, more effective and more potent is cloves. Cloves is very powerful remedy that can help you to give you that faster hair growth, stimulates blood flow in your scalp. Cloves contain a lot of property that will help you to boost your hair growth faster and effective. So using this onion peel and cloves is a game changer. Your hair will never remain the same. This will help to grow your hair like crazy. When I mean like crazy, with the two combination of these ingredients. Keep on watching to see whether we're going to read this recipe out or not. Okay, you don't need to click out now because there's still a lot to unlock on today's video. So next thing now, I pour in my hot water. Okay, I will use my spoon to turn it around to make sure that everything really soak inside the water, and I will cover this up to allow this to infuse for 12 hours. You can do boiling method, okay, but I choose to do infusion method. After 12 hours later, our recipe is ready to be used. This recipe is very simple to prepare, but it's very powerful and very potent and very strong. Guys, this will grow your hair like crazy. So I will bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my tea spray. Do you see how rich this tea spray look like? This tea spray is indeed very potent and very powerful. Next thing, I bring my spray bottle to transfer my tea spray inside my spray bottle for easy application. You'll be thinking if this is smell. No, there's no smell at all. You never perceive onion smell on this recipe. Second, you'll be wondering, are we going to rinse it out in our hair? Don't worry, just keep on watching to see the perfect way to use this recipe to get all the good results in this recipe. So this is how my hair is looking like. This is the stage of my hair. So I'm going to show you how to use this to get that good result. Just only thing you need to do is to pay close attention so that you understand every step on this recipe, so you not miss every important step on this recipe, because every step you miss on this recipe means a lot. Okay, you'll be doing it wrong, so that you not get any bad results while using this recipe. You need to use this recipe in a proper way so that you can get that good results you're supposed to have using this recipe. I just try to check if this thing is smelling. Guys, this tea spray is not smelling at all. You never perceive any bad smell like onion juice smell or whatsoever. It's smelling so amazing, so pleasant. Okay, so I'm going to use this now to spray it on my hair to make sure that this tea spray really saturate on my hair very well. As you can see, I'm focusing on my scalp because hair growth comes from scalp. And using this tea spray, I will advise you to make sure that you use it in a clean scalp. It will help you a lot to get that good benefit in this tea spray. If you use this tea spray in a clean scalp, you get that good results. Guys, please, if you are hearing any noise in background, please pardon me. I'm very sorry about that, okay? So use it in a clean scalp. In that case, you get all the good benefits in using this tea spray on your hair. So I use it now to hydrate my hair very well. I'll use it both on my scalp and also on the strand of my hair, because on the scalp, that's where hair goes from. It will help to stimulate blood flow in your scalp. It helps to promote hair growth, while on the strand of your hair, it helps you to stop hair breakage and thicken up your hair, keep your strand of your hair more healthy and strong. So using it on the scalp and also on the strand of your hair is a very good game changer. Okay, so after using this, I'm going to massage my scalp properly. Yes, I'll massage my scalp properly. If you want to get that good benefit, if you want to get that faster result on using this tea spray, don't rinse it out. Okay, leave it on your head to sit on your hair. Use it as your leave-in treatment. Okay, I like to sit on your hair, but after applying this tea spray on your hair as your leave-in treatment, please follow up with your sealants like hair butter or leave-in condition. Do not skip this part. I'll not show you how I use my butter to seal my hair, but I do not leave my hair like that. I definitely seal my hair. So please do not be confused that I do not use butter or oil on my hair. Definitely I use them, because if you do not use butter or oil to seal in the moisture, this will dry your hair. Okay, you know, onion contains sulfur and sulfur dries our hair. So for this tea treatment not to dry your hair, please follow up with a good leave-in condition or your butter before you can now use oil as the final step. Don't just use tea spray and use oil. You think you have seen the moisture. No, make sure that you use your leave-in condition or your hair butter before you can now use oil. Okay, I hope you're understanding me, so that this tea spray will have chance to do that good work on your hair. Okay, and also you can also use this as your final thin rinse. Okay, but to get the good benefit, use it as your leave-in condition. How many times can you use this tea spray? Use it 3 to 4 times in a week. You can also use it every day on your hair. If you want to go on challenge with this tea spray, you can use it every day on your hair and you see that good result while using this tea spray on your hair. Storage: this tea spray can last only about 7 days in your refrigerator. Once in 7 days, please discard it and make another one. I hope this video is very helpful. I hope I convince you not to deceive you on using onion peel, okay, to replace onion juice. So if you have tried this recipe before, let me know in comment section below, and if you have not tried, please give it a try, okay, and you will never regret it. I have come to end on today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please, if you have not liked, help me to like this video, subscribe and share for more videos like this. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.